Hi, welcome to Hackintosh Factory. In this video, I want to show you how to install macOS BigSur on this PC configuration. First, you need to download and install Python, Balena Etcher, Mac Drive 11 Trial, and free version of Mini Tool Partition Wizard. After installation, you need to reboot your system. Also, you can download all these files and EFI folder for this hardware for free. Check link in the description. Now, open the Balena Etcher. Click on Flash from File. Select the BigSur.raw file. Then, select your target USB drive and flash it. Now, open the Mini Tool Partition software and find EFI partition on USB drive. Right-click on it. Select Change Letter. Click OK. Then, apply the changes. If you got this error and can't open EFI drive, don't worry, you can fix it easily. Click on Windows menu and type Edit Group Policy and hit Enter to open it. In Computer Configuration, go to Windows Settings, then Security Settings, and Local Policies. And finally, click on Security Options. Find Admin Approval Mode. Open it and select Disabled. Click on OK. Now find Run All Administration and Admin Approval, and open it, select Disabled and click on OK. Now you need to restart your Windows. As you can see, problem is solved. Now you can access the EFI partition and main installation drive. Now you need to copy-paste the pre-built EFI folder on the USB drive's EFI partition. Now open the GenSMBIOS.bat file. Type 2 and press Enter. Now, you need to drag and drop config.plist file on the terminal window. Press Enter. Type 3 and press Enter. Type this Mac model name. Press Enter. Now restart the PC and boot up USB drive. Select Disk Utility and click on Continue. Open View menu and click on Show All Devices. Select the drive that you want to format and install macOS on. Type a name for your installation disk and click on Erase. Please subscribe on Hackintosh Factory channel if you didn't yet. Select the partition format as APFS and click on Erase. Close Disk Utility and click on Install macOS and Continue. Now, follow the installation steps. Apply your setup settings and finish the installation process. That's done. Now you need to copy the EFI folder on the USB drive to the macOS EFI partition. We will publish a newer EFI file and installation tutorial for this configuration as soon as possible. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe on Hackintosh Factory channel.